Looking for a new camera in 2026? Before spending your hard-earned money, there are a few popular models you may want to think twice about. Some are showing their age, while others simply struggle to compete with newer alternatives in the same price range. Here are 5 cameras you should avoid in 2026, and why. Number 5. Sony A7 III. The Sony A7 III was once considered one of the best full-frame mirrorless cameras on the market, and for good reason. It offered impressive image quality, excellent autofocus, and strong battery life, at a time when many competitors were still catching up. Even today, it remains capable of producing professional-looking photos and videos. However, the problem isn't that the camera is bad. The problem is that the market has moved forward while the A7 III has largely stayed the same. In 2026, buyers have access to newer cameras with significantly better screens, faster processors, improved subject tracking, higher resolution sensors, and more advanced video capabilities. The menu system also feels dated compared to modern Sony models, and many users may find themselves missing features that are now common even in mid-range cameras. Number 4. Nikon Z FC. The Nikon Z FC is one of the most attractive cameras Nikon has ever released. Its retro-inspired design immediately stands out and appeals to photographers who love classic camera styling. It delivers solid image quality and provides a fun shooting experience for casual photography. Unfortunately, a beautiful design alone isn't enough to justify a purchase in today's highly competitive market. While the camera performs well for everyday photography, many users quickly discover that they are paying a premium for aesthetics rather than overall performance. Competing cameras in a similar price range often offer better ergonomics, stronger video features, more advanced autofocus systems, and improved handling for long shooting sessions. The retro controls may look great in photos, but they aren't always the fastest or most practical option in real-world use. If your priority is performance over appearance, there are simply stronger choices available in 2026. Number 3. OM System. OM System cameras continue the legacy of Olympus and remain popular among photographers who value portability and weather resistance. Their lightweight bodies and compact lenses make them excellent travel companions, especially for outdoor adventures. However, the Micro Four Thirds sensor format is becoming increasingly difficult to recommend when larger sensors are available at similar prices. While image quality remains respectable, low-light performance and background separation often fall behind what modern APS-C and full-frame competitors can achieve. Many buyers who compare images side by side may find themselves wanting more flexibility, particularly when shooting indoors or in challenging lighting conditions. For existing OM system users, staying within the ecosystem makes sense. Number 2. RICOH GR IIIx. The RICOH GR IIIx has built a loyal following among street photographers thanks to its compact size and excellent image quality. It is a camera that easily fits into a pocket while still producing photos that rival much larger systems. For a specific type of photographer, it can be an incredible creative tool. The issue is that its strengths are also its biggest limitations. Because the camera uses a fixed lens, buyers lose the flexibility that interchangeable lens systems provide. The autofocus performance can feel dated compared to modern competitors, and video capabilities are far from impressive by today's standards. Many users are attracted by the camera's reputation without fully understanding its specialized nature. Unless you're specifically interested in street photography and know exactly why you want a GR IIIx, you may get far more versatility from a mirrorless camera at a similar price point. Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 may be one of the most commonly recommended beginner cameras online, but in 2026 it's becoming increasingly difficult to justify. It was designed as an entry-level DSLR, and while it helped many people learn photography, technology has advanced significantly since its release. New photographers purchasing their first camera today have access to far better options. Compared to modern mirrorless cameras, the Rebel T7 feels slow, outdated, and limited in several important areas. Autofocus performance is basic, video features are restricted, and the overall shooting experience lacks many conveniences that newer systems provide. The DSLR ecosystem is also receiving less attention as manufacturers focus more heavily on mirrorless technology. Those were 5 cameras you may want to avoid in 2026. If you're looking for better alternatives that offer stronger value for the money, check out our next guide. And if this video helped you make a smarter buying decision, don't forget to like and subscribe.